Jamaica Public Service Company has been named the top performing utility provider in the country for 2025. The award comes even as the company continues to face pressure over its restoration efforts. Dwayne Anderson has the details.
Utilities providers face the wrath of frustrated customers on a daily basis during the best of times. Those frustration levels are worse now in the post-Melissa period, as many residents are still without water, power and internet. The OUR's chief reminded local utilities companies not to rely solely on artificial intelligence AI or automated voice systems to respond to customers' queries or complaints, especially at this time.
It cannot, and I suspect never will, replicate the inflection of empathy in the human voice. The nuanced response to the oddity, peculiarity, and eccentricity of a diverse customer base.
The OUR chief, along with leaders from the local utilities companies, their staff, and stakeholders from the Consumer Advisory Committee on Utilities, took the time on Wednesday night to celebrate the good work observed in the sector over the last few months. The JPS was named the 2025 Utility Provider of the Year. The award was decided by several factors, including
great customer experience, reliability, fairness, keeping promises, and use of technology and innovation.
Last year, the winner from Digicel provided electric service. Let's think about that. Last year, the winner from Digicel provided electric service in charging station. This year, we heard several nominees, some from JPS providing mobile service. That right there is a testament to how connected we are as utility providers to provide this essential service.
The JPS CEO also made this pledge to the company's customers.
We stand committed and we stand steadfast to work 24/7 to every community until we restore the services that we provide as a block.
For the leadership of the Consumer Advisory Committee on Utilities, Hurricane Melissa has reaffirmed the need to continue to innovate and change.
The public sector consumer bodies, utilities and regulators must shift from the usual reactive response and ways of doing things to a more forward-thinking, enabling environment and engagement with consumers of their goods and services. In short, you need to adapt in order to enable a safe, reliable customer experience that is relevant, creative, intuitive, and most importantly, results-oriented.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.